Hello students, today we are going to learn our next lesson, lesson number 1.9. It is writing skill, picture description. Picture description, it means we are going to learn how we can describe the picture. It means I'll show you some pictures and you have to tell me that what the things are there in that picture and what the person and animals are doing in that picture. Okay, so students, let's start the lesson. Here they have given the describing a picture with meaningful sentence. It means what is a picture composition? This is called also picture composition. It means describing a picture with meaningful sentences. It means we have to describe the picture in our own sentences, which sentence we can easily understand. So here is a picture of garden. Now they have described the picture. There is a big garden. Many children are playing in the garden. Some children are playing hide and seek. Here you can see in behind these trees, one girl and one boy is hiding, and one girl is searching for them. So some children are playing hide and seek. There are many trees in the garden. You can see lot of trees in the garden. There are birds sitting on the tree. So you also can see the birds have seated on the tree. So it is the picture composition. This is called picture composition. It means describing a picture. Once again we will repeat the sentences. There is a big garden. In this picture you can see a big garden. Many children are playing in the garden. You can see many children are playing in the garden. Some children are playing hide and seek. There are many trees in the garden. There are many trees in the garden. There are birds sitting on the tree, and some birds are sitting on a tree. So we have described this picture. You can say with the help of this picture like this also, one boy is showing a picture to his mother, and he drawn a very beautiful tree on the paper, and mother is appreciating the boy. One you can see another sentence is one girl is playing swing in the garden, and there are lot of grass, very greenery are there, lot of greenery are there. You can say like that also ki there are 4 trees. We can see only 4 trees over there. The children are very happy in the garden. The children are very happily playing in the garden. Whatever sentence you can say with the help of this picture in your own sentences, it is called picture description. So students, here we have learned the picture description. We are going to see our next picture to describe that picture. Okay, so students, turn the page and take out page number 16. Now students, here you can see one picture on page number 16. Take one pencil with you. You have to write some sentences on the textbook, and after that you have to write the picture description in your CW notebook of English. Okay. So here you can see a farm, and first line they have given actually 2 sentences they have given, that Bhaurao is a farmer. He has a small farm. So here is a farmer. His name is Bhaurao, and they are saying that he has a small farm. So the Bhaurao farmer has a small farm. Now we are going to add some more sentences in this picture description. So you can write, there is a cow. That is not cow. Is that cow? No, that is ox. Very good. So there is an ox. Then you can say that there are 2 goats in that picture. One girl is giving food to the goat, or one goat is grazing. Okay. Then you can say that one lady is doing some work in the farm. Okay. Now what you can say? Here is a spade in that farm. You can see the spade. Now what you can see more things? Yes, you can see the farm is looking very beautiful. Now more sentences. Farmer is showing his farm to us. Very good. Now what you can say more sentences? You can say that the wheat are growing in the farm. Yes, very good. Now more sentences. There is a what? What you can say? There is one girl in green and blue dress. Very good. Like this, students, you have to describe the picture. It is called picture description or picture composition. So I hope you understood the lesson. Now students, here you can see one more picture of garden and we will describe this picture. Okay. So students, observe the picture and tell me what you can see in the picture. Yes, this is the picture of garden. One boy is playing swing in the garden. Two girls are playing with skipping rope. Yes, very good. Think about it. See the picture. Yes, two boys are playing football. One boy is playing with car. Very good. One bird is flying over the swing. Very good. You can see a sun in the sky. Very good. There are lot of trees in the garden. There are lot of flowers in the garden. Very good, students. More sentences. Can you tell me more sentences? Think about it. There are toys in the garden, you can see, right? What toys you can see? There are two balls, right? Now, what you can see in the picture? The garden is beautiful, very good. And one boy is looking at the another boy. Very good, students. Like this, you have to describe the picture. Very good, students. Now, students, here also you can see another picture. This picture of maybe forest or garden. So, what you can see in this picture? Yes, you can see lot of trees in the picture. So, you can say that there are lot of trees in the forest or garden or picture. Whatever you want to say, you can say. There are lot of flowers over there. Pink, red flowers are there. Yes. Next sentence. There are green grass all over the forest. Now two birds are sitting on a tree. Very good. Butterflies are flying over the trees. Very good. And I can see a bee also over there. So you can see that there is a bee also. What you can see? More words. Think about it. The forest look very nice. Very good. More sentences. This is the picture of daytime. Very good, students. Like this, we are going to make picture description. Okay. Now here is a picture of garden again. What you can see in this picture, students? See the picture. Yes, one boy is reading a book under the tree. Very good. One boy is playing swing. Very nice. One girl is drawing a picture under the tree. Two boys are playing with football. Very good, students. I can see a school near the garden also. Can you see that school? Yes, this is the picture of daytime once again. And there is a greenery all over the picture. Can you see? The sky are moving. Very good, students. Like this, we are going to do picture description. Now, students, here you can see a picture of railway station. You can see a train has stopped on platform number 1. You can see the platform number 1. So, it is a platform number 1. Now, what you can see in this picture, the captain of the train is moving a flag of red. Ticket checker is checking tickets of the passengers. There is a watch over the railway station. You can see the food stall. So there is a food stall and book station also. So there is a book station. You can see fan. So there is a fan in this picture. One girl is talking to their relatives sitting there on the bench. One man is carrying bags of passengers. One boy is filling his water bottle. One boy is going somewhere with his parents. One grandfather is walking there. Now what you can see? One woman is buying book from the book station. Some passengers are buying food. Now here is a picture of birthday party. There is a birthday party of one girl and her friends has came over there. Now one boy is dancing with one girl. One boy is taking ice cream from that tray. There are chocolates in a bowl. One woman is standing over there and in her hand there is a gift. The birthday girl is cutting cake. All children has some children has wore birthday cap. There are a lot of balloons over there. What you can see? There is a French fries. There are a lot of food for the children. And birthday party looks beautiful. Birthday decoration is very nice. Students, I hope you understood the picture description. Like this, you have to search some pictures or you have to collect some pictures from newspaper and stick that pictures in your notebook and describe that pictures in your own sentences. Okay, so collect some pictures from anywhere which is available at your home. Stick that picture on your English notebook and write 5 sentences about that. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.